Hello guys, in today's video we'll learn about error handling in Rust. Now Rust does not come up with built-in try, catch or expect block just like how we see in Python or Java, C Sharp and different other programming languages. Rust has its own way of returning the errors and accordingly handling them. Let's understand how can we do it. So let's say we have a method divide and then we have a dividend which is f32, then we have a divisor which is also f32, and then we return result. So result is a way where you can return multiple types of results, just like a good case and a bad case. So a good case is f32 and a bad case is a string. Okay, now we'll say if my divisor is equals to 0.0, then I want to return error, and then we'll say string from, and then let's say error uh, cannot divide by 0. Okay, and then else I want to say okay, and then we can wrap our okay with dividend divided by divisor. So let's call it. So what, how can we, so this is basically our throw, you can say this is our throw. Okay, now let's see how can we add catch just like in other languages. So we can say match divide, and then let's say we are sending 9.0 and then maybe a 3.0, and then here we can say is if it's okay result, then we can just print uh, result, and then we can say result, and then if it's an error we get an exception message, then we can just print our ex. Okay, so let's run it and understand how does it work. So we divide 9 by 3, we get result as 3, but let's say if we divide 9 by 0.0 and now we do cargo run, we see our error. So guys, this is how you handle. This is basically similar to our throw, but throw is like exactly throwing the exceptions and it does work differently, but here we are just silently returning a response which is not a good response, and then this is how we can match it basically, or expect our errors what we want to, and this is how we handle it. So that's it guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next video with another interesting topic. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.